Okay, I wanted to do a video on this rock crawler display rock that we made. Guy with an RC Jeep had a desire to have potential customers at trade shows drive drive his Jeep over some terrain. So we made this three-piece interlocking section of rock display that you could drive overland over the hill, and then you could also drive the Jeep underneath the tunnel that was a void area. You really can't see it from these photos, but unfortunately, we at the time weren't really shooting videos for displays, so we just kind of showed this in finish for our catalog, of things that we've made. But this thing was, styrofoam block. We started carving it, and then we had the idea that we were going to make it one piece, but then it would be hard to pick up and ship and all that sort of stuff. So we came up with the idea of making it three sections that would be easily transportable and set up at a trade show booth. But not having the carving that we did on video for the crawler rock, I'm showing you a project now that we did that was a trade show booth, and we carved out the detail that we wanted in the foam precisely, and then we put our high strength fiber reinforced mud over it. And if you look at the texture, it's really got a granite like texture on it. And we do that with a splatter coat with a dash brush, which you're kind of seeing me do right now on this little video clip where, yeah, you take a rock that's already made with your mud and you want to give it texture. We call it a texture coat, and it's a splatter coat, and it makes a really nice granite texture. But anyway, I just wanted to throw this out there. It's a file that I found in my hard drive there from years ago, and I thought, well, maybe you guys like to see another foam core rock project that I've done. But if you have any questions, as always, my job is to train people. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, text or comment or email or phone. My information's in the description area there. And again, I offer training, hands-on and also online. And if I can do anything for you, give me a call. Thanks a lot. You guys have a great day. Oh, and if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.